In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your images move on CapCut. It's really simple, so let's get started. First, you want to import an image. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to import this image right here. I'm going to open it, and then once it appears here, I'm going to drag it to the timeline. And as you can see, my image appears here. Now, if I click on the image in the timeline, I can select and add a keyframe on the scale or a keyframe on the position. I'm going to click on both, and this will create a new keyframe that appears right here. Now, if we move to the end of the image, I can adjust the scale a little bit bigger, like this, and I can move the image to adjust the position, like this. Now, if I go back and hit play, as you can see, the image moves. Now, you can also, if I delete these two keyframes, I go back to the original image, you can also create a keyframe on position, for example, and make the image smaller and put it in the top left corner of the screen, for example here. Now you have this keyframe here, and I'm going to move to the end and move the image to the bottom right corner of the screen, like this. It creates another keyframe, and if I go back and hit play, you can see that this image is moving side to side. And that's it. You can make all the combinations that you want, and it's super simple to use. So if the video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you on the next one.